उन्होंने एक मान दो मान जो दिया यस यस
It's an atomic structure. It is based on the Bohr's model of atomic structure because Bohr said the structure of atom is like the electrons are filled in energy levels, different energy levels. For example, the first energy level is K, in which 2 electrons can be accommodated. Second energy level is L. Yes.
It is
K shell.
K area.
Yes. Sir. K.
Yes. It is L.
L.
K means
K means
ये एक सेल है जिस सेल में ये फिक्स है कि 2 से ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव नहीं कर सकते मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन कर सकते
okay.
L shell, the capacity of L shell is 8 electrons. That means only and only 8 electrons can be accommodated in this shell.
So on M and N. Okay. Totally fine. Okay, sir.
Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the
Aurangzeb banned the playing of Kunti because it has a very shrill and unpleasant sound. And it also became a generic name for heated noise music.
who were the people in Kezia's family?
The people in Kezia's family were Kezia herself, her father, her mother, and her grandmother.
Jessica, what do you mean by adjacent angle?
Adjacent angles are those two angles who have one common arm. Are called adjacent angles.
When two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common arm.
One common arm.
And they have a common vertex. There are something non-common arm are on the opposite side of the common arm. There are 3 conditions. For when we say two angles are said to be adjacent angle, then we should have 3 conditions. They have a common arm. They have a common vertex. There are something non-common arm are on the opposite side of the common arm. What do you mean by complementary angles?
Complementary angles are those pair of angles whose sum is 90 degrees.
Okay.
Called complementary angles. For example,
Okay.
Okay, whatever I am saying, you have to listen properly, okay? First thing is, whenever I try to beat any hard substance, I got that.
yes.
Second thing is, whenever I try to beat with slow manner, I got hurt a little bit, okay? Whenever I do very hardly, then I got hurt very hard. Why? It is associated to any law of physics.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It is associated with Newton's third law.
Explain.
Newton's third law states that when we exert a force on any object, that object exerts an equal and opposite reaction force on the object. So, when we hit hard any object, so the object also exerts an equal opposite reaction on our hand, which in turn hurts our hand very, very badly. But when we hit any substance very slowly, then the object also reacts very small force. It exerts very small force on our hand, and so we get hurt very softly.
Okay, so tell me, who is responsible for synthesis of protein in cell? Who is responsible for synthesis of protein in cell? सेल का कोई ऐसा पार्ट है जो प्रोटीन का सिंथेसिस करता है, प्रोटीन बनाता है?
It is ribosomes. What is hunger and hunger? Hunger is a geographic, we can say geographic area which is formed above the floodplains, and it have calcareous deposits like locally known as Kanga, and so it is not very much fertile. It is not suitable for the cultivation of crops. But Khadar is newly formed geographic area which have fine grained soil and they get replenished every year, almost every year, so they are very much fertile. And floodplains, and they are found near the rivers, and so they are also suitable for intensive cultivation.
Bhangar and Khadar is which type of soil?
Bhangar have, we can say, coarse grain
No,
soil.
no, you have to say Bhangar and Khadar is also called what? Is also called what?
Which type of?
Yes, which type of soil or Bhangar or Khadar is also called what? Like
What?
Bhangar is also called old education and Khadar is also called new education.
Old everyone. Huh?
Alluvial.
Huh? Everywhere. Huh?
We answer correctly, but name both. Everyone soil and Bhangar. Cotton is best grown on which type of soil? Cotton.
That's one.
Who was the
That
ruler
was
of
only two questions.
Who was the ruler of France during French Revolution?
Louis Shakespeare.
Louis?
Louis Shakespeare. Louis Shakespeare.
पाखा पाखी के कार्य सब जगह अपना निर्भर हुए के रहे तथे सोई संसीमा असे स्पष्ट कवि मुख बाल रवि सब लाल होकर ज्वाला सा बोधित हुआ कौन सा मुख?
क्या पूछे?
मुख बाल रवि सब लाल होकर ज्वाला सा बोधित हुआ
कौन सा रंग का?
अलंकार का नाम पूछा
चलिए। हाँ,
उसे पूछ
हाँ,
लेते हैं
पूछिए।
उसको बोले मानसरोवर से कविता क्या है?
मानसरोवर से कविता आशय यह है कि वह खुद उसके अंदर जो पानी को दबा कर भरे हुए होते हैं, उसके अंदर हमेशा कलरव करते हुए होते हैं, तो उसके अंदर जितनी चीज हमको उन्हें अन्य जगह जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, वहाँ पे उन्हें सब कुछ मिलता है। तो कवि का इससे यह अर्थ है कि ज्ञान ऐसा होना चाहिए या फिर जो भक्ति है उसकी ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिससे कि उसे कहीं दुनिया में इधर उधर भटकना ना पड़े, वो एक जगह ही अपना
उसके पूरे मतलब दुहात्मन अर्थ हो गया मानसरोवर से कविता सिर्फ मानसरोवर से कविता
एक मानसरोवर से तो वही है कि एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे कि उसे सब कुछ मिल जाए,
कौन सी
एक ही
वो जगह कौन सी
चलिए हो गया। ओके थैंक्स यू
मन मन से
चलिए
मन से
चलिए हो गया।